Hello everyone, I am Savitri Nagrar, lecturer in Electrical and Electronics Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. I am handling the subject Industrial Drives and Control. In this subject, we are going to study Unit 3 Control System. Contents Introduction, Types of Control System, Motor Control, Classification, Difference between Control System, Symbols used in motor control circuits. Introduction. Control system is a device or a set of devices which manages, regulates, directs the behavior of other devices or system. Industrial control systems are used in industrial production. Control systems are used for controlling process or machine. It is an interconnections of components forming a system configuration that will provide a desired system response. Next we'll move on to types of control system. There are three types of control system: manual control system, semi-automatic control system, automatic control system. Manual control system. In this control system, one having its operation controlled or performed by a hand, that is manpower. Starting, speed control, braking are done by manual control devices. A manual controller requires the operator to move a switch or press a button to initiate any change like start or stop in the operation of the machine equipment. Examples: woodworking, shops, drill presses, lathes. This is the manual control diagram which consists of line, power, panel, manual starter, motor, circuit protection, running protection. Next, semi-automatic control system. It uses magnetic starter which operates automatically and manual pilot devices. Pilot devices such as push buttons, toggle switches, which operates manually. In this control system, the operator can place the control point at any location, whereas manual controller requires that the control point be at the starter. This is the diagram of semi-automatic control system which uses remote push buttons in a magnetic starter point. Automatic control system. In this operation of equipment which controlled remotely. Automatic controller is a magnetic starter or a contactor whose functions are controlled by one or more automatic pilot devices. For example, liquid level, pressure, flow, flow of water. And this is the diagram of automatic control system which consists of line, power panel, magnetic starter, motor, push buttons and limit switches and floor switches. Next we'll move on to motor control can be classified as two types: open loop control system, closed loop control system. Block diagram of open loop control system which consists of input, controller, process, output. The output is independent of input. It cannot be self-corrected any errors. The open loop control system is used in manual systems where an operator is always present to make decisions such as when to start and stop the motor. Examples: light switches, washing machine, gas ovens, etc. Next, closed loop control system. A closed loop control system control action is dependent on the output. The output feedback to input, hence a control loop control system, also known as a feedback control system. The closed loop control system compares the output with the expected result, then it takes appropriate control action to adjust the input signal. Examples: air conditioner, refrigerator, automatic rice cooker. The, the block diagram of closed loop control system are input, processor, feedback and output. Here the output is fed back to the input, so it is a dependent on input. Next, differences between open loop control system and closed loop control system. Control action is independent of output in open loop control system, and in closed loop control system the control action is dependent upon the output. And in open loop control system it is easier to build and economical, and in closed loop system it is build and costly. It is stable in nature. Closed loop system it is stable in nature. Open loop system less flexible. Closed loop control system more flexible. It is non-feedback system. It is feedback system. These are the symbols used in motor control circuit. Push button, that is stop. Off push button, start. Contactor coil, overload relay, limit switch. In this, NO limit switch, NC limit switch, time delay relay, NC TDR and NO TDR, float switch, NOFS, NCFS, flow switch, NO flow switch, NC flow switch. Thank you. We'll study next session about all the switches.